Hi there, this is Naveen and welcome to Navio. In this video we will see unboxing of Redmi Note 7 Pro, which I got for rupees 13,999. Here you can see the bill. I ordered it from MI store as I was unable to order it from Flipkart. It's a simple box here. Here you can see made in India. It is having 48 MP camera, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage. Now I will remove the seal. It's little tight, so I will remove with scissor. Here is the Redmi Note 7 Pro with the Neptune Blue. This is the charging cable. Here is the charging adapter. It's a basic charging adapter, does not support fast charging. It is a Xiaomi's power adapter made in India. This is the SIM ejector tool. And you will get Corning Gorilla Glass 5 at both sides of this phone. Now I will boot this phone. It will take a while because this is the first boot. Next, here choose your language. I will choose English United Kingdom. Choose your region. I will choose India. I will not connect to the network now. Don't uncheck this, click next. If you untick, it will not allow to go to next step. Next. Just turn off both. Then click accept. I will set the password later. Just turn off everything and click next. Let it be default. This will take little time, so I will pause the video and resume once it will finished. So we are back now. Let's see what all features it has. Let's go to settings and then about phone. It's having MIUI version of 10.3.5.0. Coming to the CPU, it's having octa-core max 2.0.2 GHz of clock speed. Then it's having 4 GB of RAM. Coming to the storage, out of 64 GB, you will get 51.13 GB of storage. You will get latest Android version, that is Android version Pie. Now I will show you the SIM tray. As here you can see, it comes with the hybrid SIM card slot. That means either you can insert 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 memory card. At the top of this phone you will get IR blaster, secondary microphone and 3.5mm headphone jack. Here you will get dual camera setup with flashlight and a fingerprint sensor. At the bottom of this phone, it is having primary microphone, Type-C USB port and speaker. With the Redmi Note 7 Pro, I got this back case free. So let's fix it. As you can see, this back case perfectly fits to Redmi Note 7 Pro. My next video will be camera review of this phone. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in my next video. Till then, peace.